As you can see right now, we are in the Excel interface. Yes, and I'm going to be letting us know what they mean, some of their functionalities, some of their functions, and everything you need to know about Excel. First of all, we need to note that this is our header in Excel, and under our headers we have our autosave, that is saving your files online, and you can reach and you can activate by yourself. Then we also have quick access toolbar. Those are where you can attach your commands or tools that is usually used frequently. Unlike me, I use mostly of the undo and redo tools rather, and but you can add your own that you feel like to your preferred preference. And title of our Excel sheet, and we have our search function in Excel, or search, well, anything. Shall I search? You can tell it to search whatever things you want to search for Excel functions and anything you want to search. And this is my Microsoft account. And also note that this interface may actually be different because I'm actually using the Microsoft 365, so your user interface may actually be different from mine. Note this. And we have our tabs. These are our tabs. These are our home tab, these are our tabs, and these right here are our ribbons. Yes, the ribbons. In this aspect, some of them actually have a launch button like this, which you can use for other functions or that thing that you might be needing to work on your Excel. So it's not just meant for you to try it out by yourself. The formula bar, yes, here right here is the formula bar. This is where you are going to be writing your formulas in Excel that you are going to be needing, or either you're going to be seeing them, and also where you can edit and impute new Excel functions. Now we come down to the Excel sheets. Yes, right here is called the Excel sheets, and in the Excel sheet we have what is called the cells. These are what is called the cells, and we have the columns and we have the rows. Yeah, these are the columns and these are the rows. And in Excel we have about 16,384 columns, and we have about 1,048,576 rows in Excel. And these are our sheets. You can open new Excel sheet, you can duplicate your Excel sheet, and you can also hide Excel sheet. So here you can open multiple Excel sheets, multiple, as long as you like. You can, and you can also edit the title of that particular Excel sheet, like, okay, this is Chief NASA's data, Chef, and you can see I've saved it to the preferred title I like. So you can just go around and play with it, and if at all, you can also add some coloring to that, and we come to that aspect very soon. So you can see about some colors, so we'll come into this aspect, and these are the basics of Excel. I'm just putting it through the user interface. So let me know what you think about this, and if you have any question about this, let me know about it in the comment section. Thank you.